plug the power in.
Ready?
Plug it into the back there. Plug the transducers in. And then put the transducers on so they're facing into a V. Just do that bit loosely for now. Press the power button and then it waits like that. Press the sideways button until you get to parameter. Press enter. Type the diameter in by getting whatever the outside is. If worst comes to worst, you got to measure it. This one's 76.10. I've already written it in. You just press down and use the arrows to type it in. This one's 76.10. I've already written it in. You just press down and use the arrows to type it in. After that, press enter. Wall thickness. Do it the wall thickness. This one's 3.2. And press enter. Enter. No lining. Roughness. That sounds good. Temperature. That's the water temperature. You can use a heat gun if you really think. Always have it on clamp on 2 megahertz. And now press enter because this gives you your measurements. Sound path 4 is good. Transducer distance, you've got to make this 62 millimeters from this face to that face. Then press sideways. It's good, so press enter. That's the signal strength, by the way. Enter, enter, enter. Enter. Yep, done. You're good to go. Now you make sure that you've got the annubar isolation valve open, so there's water in here and it's pressurized. And now you can use the throttle valve, and that'll start telling you how much litres a minute is coming out. This place needs 859 litres a minute at 136 kPa. So I write the required litres a minute in kPa here, and then 120%, 100%, 60%, 30%, and 0% of 859, which I just asked the phone what 120% of 859 is, and it told me it was 1030. And then I asked it 60% of 859 and it said 515. There you get that.
Yeah.
And then I just opened the throttling valve to say that litres a minute. I wound it all the way to 1030. I got it to about 1030 here, and then read the kPa on the system pressure. And that's what pressure I got, which was 380 kPa. You do all that, you know, for that one and that one and that one and that one, and then you've got a very thorough graph, a good annual.